Hello everyone, the Juice App team welcomes you all to our session. Me and my fellow teammates are here to brief you on our project we have been working on. We are really excited to tell you about it, but first, let us give you a quick description about why we chose this project. Now, as we all know, we are living in 2021 and we see the evolution of our technological generation like we came from plasma TVs to LED TVs, from flip phones to smartphones, which also includes vehicles. We came from petrol diesel cars to electric cars. In upcoming generation, electric cars are going to be one of the top trends all around the places. And as we all know, like any petrol diesel car need pumps, even electric cars need charging stations to charge up their cars. In India, there are more than 1,000 charging stations. But what are you going to do if your car is running low on battery and you need a quick charging station nearby? That's where our app, Geo's app EVC India comes in handy. For better understanding, let's jump into the presentation now, shall we?
So, we will be covering 7 topics in our discussion of our project. That will be introduction, equipment with our app, challenges, marketing strategy overview, roadmap, EV charging sources, and client feedbacks. Now, let us introduce ourselves properly to you. Hi, we are the Zeos app team, and we are a 5% team full of determination, energy, and curiosity. We strive to achieve better and to share it to the world for the greater good. Now let us get you acquainted with our app. Zeo's app EVC India. The user can use our app to find the nearest electric vehicle charging stations. Our very own app will bring innovation to the field of electric cars since more people will be able to travel greater distances without worrying about charging.
If you want to know why we chose this project, it's just we chose to work on this project because we believe that electric vehicles are the future of transportation and we want to encourage people to utilize them by making it easier to discover charging stations using our product. One of the main reasons we are working on this app because there are very few apps that track EV charging stations and those that do are often less helpful. But our app would provide the user with a list of nearby EV charging stations including those that are now functioning.
We built our application on various platforms such as Android, iOS, web application, and etc. Here it is a marketing strategy overview. We determine a release date, we outreach our initiatives, we promote our app on social media, we create a content marketing strategy, and we ask users for our feedback.
The cost estimation on the work of our project for now and the further future upgradation of our app. And the prediction is based on the business growth of electric vehicle in last 10 years. This is a timeline of our work done so far.
Obviously, when we do something big, we get a lot of challenges faced. But we worked through that and made our app successful. We used Flutter to create our app, run the map in the simulator, causing various computer crash various times. Geocoding was a difficult work to do, which was allotted in a period of 4 months. A collection of precise geographical coordinates for a lot of stations in India. All of the team members should have been fluent with geocoding and Flutter.
Now let us tell you one of the sources. An energy service company is a company that designs and implements energy saving projects, retrofitting, energy conservation, energy infrastructure, outsourcing, power generation and energy supply, even risk management, among other services. Our team has visited a few running stations to verify their working and operation. At present, there are around 427 stations and many more on the way to be built and fully operational in near future. As we grow and launch the project in the market, we plan to do the same for the remaining locations in major metropolitan cities and highways as well. One of the working stations that was verified is EESL, which is one of the major ESCO in India. We also gathered feedback from potential users that are currently using electric vehicles and plan to buy soon as the trend is growing towards a more economical and sustainable source of energy for transportation. With the rise in prices, our potential users have also appreciated the fact that not only the use of electric vehicles will contribute to the environment, but it will also be more economical, and on the top of that, our app will help thousands of users to help them travel with ease and also solve the dilemma of finding charging station location and help support the idea of use of sustainable energy forms. Connect with us on our social media handles for more updates and information. Shoot out your queries at us and we will assist you. Hashtag Let's Get You Charged. This is our wonderful team behind the backdrops of GeoZap EVC India that contributed to the successful completion of GeoZap EVC India. We also acknowledge the bright opportunity given to us by our mentor Sonal Kukreja for giving us this semester project. It couldn't have been easy without the guidance and help she offered while we were brainstorming. Once again, thank you, ma'am.
Questions and we'll try to solve them. Once again, let's get to chat.
Hey everyone, this is Piyush Kumar, and as you now know about our application and its usage, it is very important to know how it works. So we are going to get started with the demonstration of how the user is going to use our app. Our application works on both iOS and Android, and you can see they're working side by side. We will start with the login page by mentioning the user's credential as per requirement. But since we already have our account, we will start directly by logging in. Now that we have logged in, we can see whole map of with the location markers that are the EV charging stations all over India. So if we zoom in, we can see the name of the location as name of the location where the chargers are placed. Furthermore, you can see the option users can check, such as the charging station option containing the list of few charging stations that are active all over India. Then there is the follow us option for the users to connect with us for any query or for any suggestions. We mentioned our social media handles too. Next comes the privacy policy for our application, which is the must. Then at last the logout option, for logging out the account created by the user. Thank you.